Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested video of what fits in my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather small Allie backpack. So this is just a quick video to share with you some of the features of this beautiful backpack, as well as what items might fit. So if you are interested in seeing what items might fit in this cute little backpack, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So first, let's go over very quickly some of the features of this bag. And as you can see right off the bat, it has this beautiful Sierra leather trim. Very, very beautiful. The flap here, as well as the handle, and also the drawstring, the buckle closure, the strap connection here on the back, and also the zipper closure on front. Okay guys, so first I am going to try to pack her with some larger items just to see how it fits. So the first item is going to be my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large cosmetics case in the color natural, my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around wallet in the color natural, my chic sparrow pocket size planner, a bottle of water. I also want to see how a cell phone case, just to see how it fits in that front pocket, and my large sunglass case, because yes, in my neck of the woods we are still wearing sunglasses. So now let's just see how all these items fit inside of the Allie. So there are two ways to get into this bag. The first is by drawstring here on the front, and also by this buckle closure here. So you have double security with this backpack. I probably won't use both. I would probably just use the drawstring, but for those who love extra security, I think that it is the perfect closure system. The inside is also this very pretty Sierra leather, absolutely beautiful. So now let's just take a very quick look on the inside. Okay guys, so as you can see, lots and lots of room to be considered a small. She has the normal setup for most Dooney Bourkes. She has the patch here in the back, the logo patch, a zip pocket and a slip pocket, and on the front wall she just has one larger slip pocket here. She also has a key keeper. And this bag, unlike some of the other drawstrings that we know, like the Buckley, the drawstring is actually on the outside, and it also has these little rivets here going through to help secure the string. So now let's just see how our items fit inside. And again, these are going to be some of the larger items. So the first item is my Dooney Bourke large cosmetics case in the color natural. So we're just going to stick that in. And as you can see, that fits perfectly, just enough room. Next, we're going to go in with our large zip around wallet in the color natural. Okay, here we are. So as you can see, it is getting pretty tight just with those two items. So now let's go in with my chic sparrow pocket size planner, and I am going to put that in the slip pocket. No, that's not a good idea. So I'm just gonna put this right here in front of the wallet, which is perfect. And now I'm going to go in with my large sunglass case, and I'm just going to sit that on the top, or it might even fit here in the corner. A little bit tight there, but it does fit. I think I'm just going to just leave it right here on the top. So now I'm just going to go in with a bottle of water if I wanted to carry that. And as you can see, that fits perfectly. So if you had a cell phone, this is just an iPhone 8, and this is just a case. This is not the Plus. So that will fit comfortably in that front pocket. Or, you know what? Let's see if it will fit in this outside pocket here. And you guys, one thing that I love about this bag is, even though this is very, very inconvenient here, this pocket, this little flap, but now I get why they made the little flap here. Because if you have this bag on your back, it will be a lot harder for someone to try to reach in and get your items because of this flap. So now I totally get it. It's a little bit inconvenient, but for the purpose of this being a backpack, that makes total sense. So now let's just see if we can put our cell phone case in here. I think this is going to be tight. I don't think it is going to fit. No, it's not. Even if you put it in through the top, as you can see, it is not comfortably going to fit. So if you have anything larger than an iPhone 6, I'm going to say, it is not going to fit in this front pocket. So I will say maybe a set of keys or your ID or something like that that you would need easy access to. So here we are. So again, here are how the larger items fit. Again, very tight, but it still fits perfectly. And for me, I probably won't use the buckle here. I will probably just pull it down like this and secure it with my drawstring like this. So now let's just see how items that are a little bit more compact will fit inside of the backpack. Okay guys, so some of the more smaller compact items that I'm going to attempt to put into the Allie is my Dooney Bourke 1975 Shiny It small cosmetics case in the color white, a regular size cell phone wallet, my Chic Sparrow pocket size planner, my large sunglass case, and my iPhone 8 case. So now let's just see how these items fit inside. Okay guys, so on the back wall, I'm going to go in with my cosmetics case. As you can see already, a huge difference in using these compact items. My regular size cell phone wallet, my Chic Sparrow pocket size planner, a bottle of water if you choose to, and then also my large sunglass case. And if I want it, that will comfortably fit right in front of the planner, or right here next to the bottle of water. Still have plenty of room here in the back. And if you wanted to just put your cell phone here, that's perfect. Or if you wanted to put it in the pocket here, still fits very nicely. So as you can see here, guys, the best bet in this small Allie is to use more compact items versus some of your larger pieces. And in this one, you still have room where you can either add some gloves or a hat if you want to here on the top, or if you wanted to kind of mix and match and use a larger cosmetics case or something like that. Okay guys, so now let me just go over some of the pros and cons of this backpack. So the first thing that I love about it is this leather flap that it has. I think that it makes it very, very classy. So this is really what caught my attention on this style backpack. My second pro is how they have added these little flaps here, which makes it super, super comfortable on your back. It snugs your body really, really nicely versus having the buckles here that's on traditional backpacks. My other pro is that it is adjustable, and this can adjust to larger and smaller body types. So I think that that is another huge pro for those who love to carry these type backpacks on your back. I love that it does have feet to help somewhat protect your bag. And lastly, I also love just these cute little accents here of the knots on the end of the drawstring. So now on to the cons. The first con that I have about this backpack is, I know it's a backpack, so you're gonna have some type of closure or multiple closures, and on this one it's the flap. So anytime you're trying to get in and out of your bag, you have this flap here that just keeps coming down and getting in the way. And so that's one thing. I mean, unless you kind of hold it back like this, but then you're kind of stretching out the leather. So for me, it's just a little bit annoying having this flapping everywhere whenever you're trying to get in and out of your bag. But overall, would I recommend the small Allie backpack? Absolutely. Also, for the 12 days of Dooney, this backpack is on sale for $149 if I'm not mistaken, and they have a selection of colors. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.